We are finally moving out from this house. This is the condition of my mother's bedroom, and we are finally moving out from this house. You know, guys, we have left so many houses. We have moved out from so many houses that I've become numb at this point. Before that, previously, we used to cry. We used to like our heart used to ache so much. We used to like, oh my god, it was so hard for us to move out. But at this point, because we have moved so many from so many houses, that we've become numb, and I have surrendered to God. Whatever happens for something good. Let's just think like that and let's just move out. I always leave my previous house, like I have always left my previous houses on a sad note कि जा रहे हैं, नहीं जाना है, but I am going to leave this house on a sweet note. So yeah. The सामान has already been packed by certain boys. हम लोगों ने पैसे दे के पैक करवाया है because हमें क्षमता नहीं थी भाई साहब. The sad part is these what do we say, these plants जो कि जब उनको स्टेबिलिटी मिलती है फाइनली, जब वो ग्रो करने लगते हैं, स्पेशली द क्लाइंबर्स, I'll show you. This is how much the growth of that climbers was. एंड अभी हम लोग फाइनली मूव कर रहे हैं, तो उतना उसको कट करना पड़ा एंड विल हैव टू मूव इन within 1 year. We keep on moving, so I feel bad for this plants that they don't get time to grow. Whenever they grow, they have to be, you know, cut because of our moving. So it's our fault as well. Let's go somewhere else. फुल्ली पैक्ड. हम लोग ही रह गए भाई पैकिंग के, बस हम लोग पैक्ड नहीं है, अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज पैक्ड. Now it's gonna go to our next house, and yeah, I am clueless, but okay, this was the entrance of our, this is the entrance. Shri Shivaya Namah Sokyam. I still believe in God, even now, guys, even now. I am not hopeless. The kitchen has been dismantled. हमारा आरो वगैरह रह गया है, बस हम लोग एक दिन रहने वाले हैं, so that's why whatever the sufficient, all the essentials are going to keep, and everything is going to go to our next house. Everything has been dismantled. This is देवघर of our owner. हमारा देवघर चला गया है उधर. It's been moved. देवों का घर भी मूव हो गया. Kitchen has been dismantled. This unorganized. और ये मैं हूँ. This is me. I absolutely feel nothing. I've gone all numb. Like I said, I am feeling nothing. Nothing. Let's leave this house on a sweet note. What say? ये मेरी रूम है. फाइनली मैंने कभी मेरी रूम दिखाई ही नहीं है ना. This is my room. Completely dismantled. Completely dismantled. It felt like a dream that we have lived here. It felt like a dream. And now it's a dream of moving. I'm still not able to digest that fact that we are moving. But that's fine. It's okay because I had my university exams. I will have my university exams. I need to study. I need to go to Pune because I have a lot of pending work. I need to submit that. So I don't even have time to feel sad or, you know. But yeah, whatever it is. She's my mother. She somehow managed to do all. So, मम्मी हाई कर दो. She is very very disturbed right now, but I can't do anything, guys. I'm going to have some.
किचनचं सामान असं कसं भरतं
He's my brother. Hi कर. He's so shy यार, guys. He's very shy of. अरे मैंने उसको मुझे अभी ध्यान में आया कि मैंने उसको डांटा था. I scolded him just now because पागल ने जो स्पीकर था, स्पीकर के दो ऐसे वायर थे, उसका सॉकेट वो नहीं था, उसके ऊपर जो कवरिंग रहता है ना वो नहीं था उसका, एंड वो सिर्फ वायर थे, वो उसने उस सॉकेट में डाले एंड उसको ऑन कर दिया, वो फट गया. मतलब उसमें फटने की आवाज़ है, इसीलिए मैंने उसको डांटा थोड़ा सा. उसको भी मनाना पड़ेगा, बट इग्नोर.
कसं उकलणार आहे तिथं
काय ते सांगते.
मला काहीच नाही बोलायचं मला
हम लोग बाद में लेंगे उसका इंटरव्यू, बिकॉज शी इज कुछ तो हो गया उसका, बट वॉट एवर इट इज़ आई एम जस्ट, मैं इधर आ जाती हूँ, थोड़ा सा सेक्लूडेड जगह पे आ जाती हूँ. मैं जस्ट ये बोल रही हूँ कि ये जो पेड़ जो है, द ट्रीज, द प्लांट्स, आई एम गोइंग टू लीव इट ऑल बिहाइंड. एंड बहुत बुरा तो नहीं लग रहा है, क्योंकि मुझे पता है इसके बाद मुझे ट्रैवल्स बुक करके पुणे जाना है, तो मुझे इतना दर्द तो नहीं होगा. द ओनली पर्सन विल बी अफेक्टेड द मोस्ट इज़ माई मदर. तो वही है. और भगवान हमसे इतना क्यों, अभी और कितना ही करना बाकी है भगवान को. हम लोगों ने ऐसे क्या ही पाप किए हैं मुझे नहीं पता, बट लेट जस्ट, इट्स ओके गाइस, इट्स ओके. आई विल टेल यू, दिस विल बी द. मैं यही बोल रही थी कि हम लोगों ने 5 साल में, विद इन 5 years वी हैव चेंज्ड 5 houses. When I was in 9th standard, we started this game of moving out, and I am in first year right now. So you can imagine, guys. इसलिए be grateful of what you are having. Be grateful in everything that you now have. At least you have your own house to live, to not worry about moving out every now and then. So it's good, at least you are stable right there. And yeah, there might be some things that you guys have but we don't, and there's some things that we have that you don't. It's just, that's how things work. And there's only, the reason behind making this video is मोनेटाइजेशन. मुझे भी कंटेंट शूट करना है. इतना मेरा बुरा वक्त चालू है, तो मैं भी बुरे वक्त का चीज़ करूँगी. आई ऑल्सो मेक इट वर्क. That's why I'm just making a video, optimistic at its peak. But yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Even if you don't like this video, I don't give a damn, because मेरा उद्देश्य ये वीडियो को लाइक बढ़वाना या फिर इस वीडियो की व्यूज़ बढ़ाना नहीं है. The only thing is I wanted to just share what is happening, because lately I have been having and hiding this for so long. I don't, and I can't now. I'm gonna show you all the reality. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video till end. I hope you like it. Bye.